You are looking for one crucial document, but you just can't remember the name. Don't worry. Today I will teach you how to build file search. A tool that understands the content of your files, making them searchable in a whole new way. So how does it work? It's all about understanding the meaning behind the file. We use two key technologies, sentence transformers and qtrand. Sentence transformers take the text from your files and turn it into numerical representation called vectors. Remember that similar files will have similar vectors. Next, we have qtrand, a vector database. It's designed to store and efficiently search these vectors. So here's how it works. First, file search indexes your files by converting their content into vectors and stores them in qtrand. When you search, your query is also converted into a vector and qtrand finds the files that have similar vectors to the query. Let's take a look. Here I have indexed a folder of documents and now I will search for something specific. And to take it further, we can integrate LLM to describe the content of the files. This allows us to even include images, where the LLM describes the image and then we store that description in the database.